In order to buy more cool merchandise like this hoodie that I have here, the link is in the description right down below. Welcome to My Math, Your Math. Today we're going to talk about related rates, and we're going to talk about how to find the rate at which an angle is changing. Alright, so we have a 10-foot ladder leaning against the side of a house. The base slides away at a rate of 2 feet per second. What rate is the angle changing when the base is equal to 8? So we're going to use a little bit of SOHCAHTOA. So we're going to use cosine is equal to cosine of theta is equal to A over H. So the A is going to be my x side over H, which is 10. Alrighty. Now all I have to do is take a derivative of this implicitly with respect to time. So when I take a derivative of the left-hand side, all I end up with is negative sine theta times theta prime, where theta prime is just d theta dt. On the right side, I get a 10th x. Well, technically it's just a 10th x prime. And we know that our x prime is actually just going to be equal to 2. Now, in order to find theta prime, all I have to do is find sine of theta. But sine of theta, I can do because I know that I have a ladder that's 10 feet long, a base that's 8. That tells me that my missing side is going to be 6. So if I use SOHCAHTOA again, we know that sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, and that is equal to 6 over 10, which reduces to 3 over 5. So I just plug in this 3/5 into sine theta, and I'm able to find my theta prime. And x prime is 2. So theta prime is equal to 1 over 10 times my x prime, which is 2, times a negative 5 over 3. Alrighty. This all reduces down to a negative 1/3. Is the rate at which the angle of theta is changing. That's all today for related rates.